Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes. Children, as we have started our second chapter, the Himalayas, Social Studies, fourth chapter, today we are going to continue it. This is Shilpa Patil here from Little Scholars Public School. Children, from this video you will learn about Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is bordered by Himachal Pradesh on the northeast, Uttar Pradesh on the south and southwest, and Haryana on the west. The state borders internationally with Nepal towards the east and Tibet on the north. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Here you can see in the map also. Uttar Pradesh here, Himachal Pradesh, China or Tibet, and Dehradun is the capital here. Nepal you can see here at the down. This way in the map also you can see, and on India's map here the red colored it is showing here, that is the Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also known as the land of gods or Devbhumi. Why it is called, do you know? Yes, there are various Hindu places of worship are located in this state. Meaning Hindu worship places are there, that is why it is called or known as land of gods or Devbhumi. The northern part of the state is a part of the Great Himalayan Range. Hence, the landscape is mountainous. Mountainous areas हैं. Ganges and Yamunas, India's two perennial rivers, are started from the glaciers of Gangotri and Yamunotri. Like this in this state. Now we are going to learn about the occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of this state. There are agricultural different kinds of crops, and as an occupation people are doing the agriculture. Besides that, there are many small scale industries as well as hydroelectric projects also are there. From the culture, we can say the state has rich cultural heritage and tradition. Music is an important part of this state. Dance, here you can see the folk song of Garhwal and folk dance, here also it is there. The common language spoken in this region are Hindi, Garhwali and Kumaoni. These are the common languages which are spoken by Uttarakhand people. Hindi to as our national language is there, and the special languages like the Garhwali and Kumaoni are spoken by the people of Uttarakhand. For the festivals, we can say some of the important festivals of this region are Basant Panchami, Makar Sankranti and Kumaon Holi. This is the Basant Panchami pictures. Kumaon Holi also they are celebrating like our Holi. Kumbh Mela is a religious mass of gathering people from where all over the country on the banks of Ganges togetherly gather. This is the Kumbh Mela picture. This is a religious mass where the people from not only all over the India but all over the world they are coming, and this is the bank of river Gange. They gather together and worship the god and take worships from the god. Dressing style, if we have seen here, The traditional dress for women consists of ghagra, which is called a long skirt, and choli, like a traditional blouse, and odhni, a covering over the head. They cover also on the head. Men wear dhoti kurta and turban as headgear besides kurta pajamas. Here also you can see a different kind of dressing style they have wear. Kurta pajamas also are there, different kind of kurta pajamas, and they covered their head also. The tourist places in that the popular hill stations are Mussoorie, Nainital and Kasauni. Mussoorie is one of the famous tourist place of Uttarakhand, and Nainital also is there. Besides that, Kasauni is also very much famous hill station in Uttarakhand. The important pilgrimage places are Haridwar. Haridwar is very much famous in the Hindu religion, and as well as the Rishikesh also. With that, Badrinath and Kedarnath also is there. Badrinath and Kedarnath is a hill station and a pilgrimage place also. This is a Kedarnath picture. A lot snow we can say here every year. Only for 4 months these doors are open to take the darshan of the god Kedarnath. The world famous Valley of Flowers also is located in Uttarakhand. This is a beautiful picture of Valley of Flowers. Is also one of the tourist attraction of the Uttarakhand. Children, now we are going to learn about the Sikkim state. Sikkim is a small or thumb-shaped hill state, we can say. Much small it is, which shares its borders with West Bengal on the south. Here you can see West Bengal in the south, Nepal on the west. Here Nepal on the west, and Tibet or the China on the north and east. North and east here, and Bhutan on the southeast. This is the Bhutan, and Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. This is the second smallest state after Goa and the least populated state in India. सबसे कम पॉपुलेशन सिक्किम में पाया जाता है और ये गोवा के बाद सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इंडिया का कहलाता है. Also Kanchenjunga also is there, highest peak located in Sikkim. Now we are going to learn about the occupation of Sikkim state. The main occupation practiced is agriculture. The chief crops of Sikkim are maize, rice, potato, orange, tea and cardamom. This is the tea plantation, and here you can see the different kinds of crops are also being seen here, like the maize, rice, potato, orange likewise. And specially the cardamom is the speciality of Sikkim state. Black cardamom also can be found, and green cardamom also can be found in the Sikkim state. Besides that, the cottage industries also are there, which make rugs, carpets, silverware, metalware and woodwork. Especially the carpets of Sikkim are very much famous all over the world. Silverware also is there and metalware also is there. Especially woodwork, in that bamboo craft and cane craft also is famous. These things are made by bamboo and cane. Different artificial things made by bamboo and cane are famous. ये सारी चीज़ें वुड से बनाई गई हैं. Sikkim's population consists of people from different cultural backgrounds. Different people are there, can be seen, and the three main communities are the Lepchas, Bhutias, and Nepalis. These are the three main communities can be found in the Sikkim state, which are they? Bhutia, Lepcha, and Nepali. Here you can see their dressings also are there. The traditional dress of Lepcha men called Thokrodam. Lepcha, here you can see. These are the Lepchas. Thokrodam is the traditional dress of Lepcha men, and women. The dressing style of women is called Damvum or Damdam. Bakhu is a traditional dress of Bhutias. Bhutias traditional dress is like this. Here you can see in the picture. And Nepalese men wear sharwal. Sharwal and churidar. This is the Nepali pair. Churidar pajama and a shirt known as daura. And women wear sari. A different kind of sari is there. They wear different saris. This is the dressing style also, and community people also are there. Now we are going to learn about the festivals of Sikkim. Sikkimis celebrate most of the Hindu festivals like Maghe Sankranti. Sankranti like our Sankranti is there. Besides that, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Chaitya Desai. Chaitya Desai means Ram Navami. Diwali and Dashera also. These are the famous festivals which are celebrated by the people of Sikkim. This is the one of the picture of Ram Navami. During Losar, Tibetan New Year is called the Losar. During the Losar, this is a picture of Losar. Most of the offices and educational institutions are closed for a week. Like many of the schools and offices are giving holidays for the Christmas, for the 10 days, like we also have Diwali holidays. But during the Losar, this is the Tibetan New Year, for a week, all the educational institutions and offices are being closed for a week. उनको छुट्टियां होती है. Apart from this, many Buddhist and Nepali festivals are also celebrated. As I showed you, the dressing style of the Lepcha men, Thokrodam, and the traditional dress of women is called the Damvum or Damdyam. Likewise, Bakhu is the traditional dress of Bhutia, and Nepalese men wear sharwal or churidar pajama. Now we are going to see about the tourist places. Being a hilly region, Sikkim is famous for majestic mountains and picturesque valleys. There are many famous monasteries in Sikkim. Ramtek is the largest, and the Pemayangatse monastery is the oldest monastery in the Sikkim. Largest is the Ramtek and oldest is the Pemayangatse. It is the Pemayangatse monastery. Somgo Lake is one of the major tourist attraction also is there, and this is the Pelling, is a town in the Sikkim. This is a beautiful picture of Pelling. Pelling is a town in Sikkim from where the Himalayas and the Kanchenjunga, we have seen the Kanchenjunga also, can be viewed at very close quarters. Very closely we can see from the Pelling, Kanchenjunga also and the Himalayas also. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching it. Like it and share it.